Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are interested in achieving this look, then make sure that you continue to watch and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, so you know the drill. I go in with my NYX base. I've already done so now we're just going to start with this color. I'm new to this animation stuff, so I tried to put the little circle thingy over the color I was using. Hopefully that is helpful to you guys. I'm trying. If it's not, then feel free to leave a comment and we'll try to work on that in the future videos. So now we're going in with a deeper shade of brown, and we're just going to try to go into the crease to make this a little bit darker. I'm so sorry guys, you guys know I'm not good at this. I try for you guys, but yeah, that's what we're doing. So now we are doing the cut crease. I am just putting on the Makeup Revolution. This is their cut crease stuff and it's in the shade white. I usually use the shade Create, but I've been trying the white one and I love how it makes my colors pop even more. So here I am trying to adjust in frame so you can see which color I'm using. This palette is actually a palette I got off of Amazon. It is called You Can Be. I'm not sure which color it's in because I'm a little bit lazy right now and don't feel like looking. I'll try to list the details in the subject line or in the description so you guys can see.
Oh, before them girls gon' love you for this. Oh, before them girls gon' love you for this. Wake your baby daddy, wake your baby daddy, wake your baby daddy, wake your baby daddy. Ooh.
Okay, so this is where we added the glitter glue, and we're gonna go on top of that with our actual glitter. Guys, I just did a wing liner first because I have no idea what I was doing. I was just trying something different. Now that I look back on it, I probably should have done a wing eyeliner with maybe the color white or something, but overall I think it came out pretty good. So I've already applied my lashes. Now we're going in with the e.l.f. moisturizer. I was told that if you keep your face moisturized, if you have oily skin, that your face won't work as hard to produce oil. I'm not really sure how true that is. However, I do like the moisturizer and the primers that I've been using. I think that they've been working really good. I still get oily, but just not as bad. Okay, so at this point, you guys should be able to predict what I'm going to do on my face. I have not changed my routine in a while. I'm going in with this LA Pro Girl, and I just found out this is not the color red. This is in the color orange, but it does help with dark circles, so I usually put it under my eyes and around the corners of my mouth. I've also been using their LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation, which I'm absolutely in love with. It's super simple to apply. I'll be using that in the video as well. I'm now going in with the LA Pro Conceal in the color Fawn, just to highlight. So we're going to highlight under the eyes, down the nose, the forehead, and the chin.
Oh, before them girls gon' love you for this. Oh, before them girls gon' love you for this. Wake your baby daddy, wake your baby daddy, wake your baby daddy, wake your baby daddy. Ooh.
So now we're doing my favorite, the contour. This contour stick I actually got from my local beauty supply store. I think it's called like a magic stick or something. It was only like $3 and it's been doing pretty good here lately. So we're gonna contour the jawline, the cheekbones, the forehead, and the nose. It is now time to set all of this work. So we're going to set it with the translucent powder. I'm going under my eye, on the forehead, on the chin, and right below my cheekbone, just so that can pop out a little bit more. What you guys see me doing right here is rubbing that translucent powder against my nose just so it looks more defined, I guess. So the highlight kind of pops out a little bit more. Now, just to add some color back into my face, I am going in and I'm going to add the blush. I'm going to highlight, and then we are all done. If you guys have any questions on the way that I highlight or any questions on the way that I actually do my lipstick, you guys can follow my other videos or look at my other videos. I do the same nude lip in all of them.
Oh, before them girls gon' love you for this. Wake your baby daddy, wake your baby daddy, wake your baby daddy, wake your baby daddy. Ooh.
Brought to you by Ford.
All right, guys, that is it for this look. If you guys have any questions, definitely feel free to comment below. You guys can follow me on all social media platforms at Ari Jane Parker. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. I'm sorry, guys, I'm super sleepy right now. But I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up.